Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. This is our Luxe Gold. Beautiful full body paint. I wanted to show you the spacious basement storage that we have in this luxury full-time fifth wheel. So I'm going to zoom right up in here and take a look at this. This has got 3 access doors to give you easy access to anything you need to get into under that in the basement area. The ductwork, some of the electrical, some of the plumbing areas that you may need to get to. So I'll zoom out. I wanted to show you how solid this basement storage door is. It's a slam latch door, very nice and solid. Bam, it shuts really nicely. Very nice for you to keep your stuff in, secure, nice and strong. So hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678 and have a great day.